Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So I do want to talk about GameStop and what happened yesterday, which was absolutely insane. We had this push from like $130 all the way to 173 in a matter of what was this, like 120 in a matter of what, an hour, which is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, now we're at 155, which is fine. But you still had a pretty massive run up of 25 dollars from right now pre-market to yesterday's after hours, which is ridiculous. I personally think it has due to crypto crashing and big tech crashing and bigger and bigger funds that are shorting smaller caps. Their collateral is going down, which is why I think GameStop is going up. Obviously, GameStop has negative beta, so if the market goes down, generally GameStop will go up in some cases, depending on if people decide, or not people, if whoever's shorting this decides to to close positions, right? And I want to say that they don't that whatever this happened or however this happened, you know I don't think it's because of the NFT news. The NFT news came out like a week ago. Why would, and then there was a Wall Street Journal that got published yesterday right before the run up that that essentially had, what is it called, the NFT news like go live. And I really doubt that that's like what caused this run up, because you already had news on the NFT stuff. I made a video about it. This was like a week ago, week and a half ago. I don't remember, but if GameStop was gonna run on news, it was gonna be that day and not today. I really don't think so. I think somebody got liquidated. I think their shorts had to be closed. That's why you see this super violent move to the upside. That's usually, especially the after hours, right? Like, why would somebody, you know, get liquidated or even try doing this, like, prior, right, or during market hours when there's more volume, and then when things can really start picking up, right? Because if this happened during market hours, if this ran to like 173 to market hours, people would be like, holy crap, what the hell's going on? And everybody would start buying in like crazy, right? Do I think GameStop is going to keep running today? I don't know. I don't think so. I actually think it's going to go back down. Wouldn't be surprised to see it like at 150, possibly lower, like at maybe 40 or something. That's what's going to happen right now. I think one short got liquidated. They had to close their positions, but I think everybody else that's shorting GameStop is probably going to be happy that it ran up so they can just short it some more, right? At least that's what I think. I personally don't think it's going to run up like crazy. It definitely can, because it's GameStop. It does random stupid like pops like this all the time, right? Especially because it's shorted. So this can happen randomly, right? Nobody knows when this is going to happen. So, I think if we see another drop in crypto and like big tech and the SPY, I think that we can definitely see more of this happen with GameStop. If we do not see more drops in crypto or like big tech and like the other more stable like blue chip stocks, I think GameStop is going to continue to go down. So I think, as long as the overall, as long as both crypto and the bigger players in the stock market keep going down, I think it's more and more likely that GameStop can do random pops like this. But other than that, if there's some sort of recovery in crypto or in blue chip stocks in the stock market, I think that you're gonna see GameStop continue to like teeter towards the downside, right? But you never know. GameStop is pretty funky. It's pretty random. It was I like it dropped to 123. And I was like, this thing's going to $100. As soon as it broke 150, I'm like, I would short GameStop right now, because this thing's going to like $100, right? I would have shorted GameStop for sure. And then right now that it actually jumped back up to 173, I would have just shorted it more. And I'm just being honest to what I would do in a situation like this, right? What I would think big money would be doing right now, and I think that they would be just shorting it all over again. But yeah, I think crypto and blue chip stocks are being used as collateral to short more GameStop. So as long as that keeps going down, I think GameStop is gonna do random pops like this. But I think as of right now, I want to see how how pre-market is. So far, it's not doing extremely well. It dropped from 173 to 155. We're only like 20-ish bucks away from what was the high from yesterday, 136. Yeah, you're like $20 away. You're 20 bucks away from the highs right here, right? From the highs that you had yesterday at 10 o'clock in the morning. You're like $20 away. So I can definitely see a drop further. I know Wall Street Bets was definitely buying in a bunch. They're gonna, Wall Street Bets or Reddit is gonna be buying a bunch of calls and shares and stuff on GameStop, whatever, which is fine. Which might actually push the price up a little bit higher. But I want to see what happens pre-market, right? If you see GameStop run up like crazy, then cool. If not, then I think it's gonna keep going down. But I would personally, I mean, I can't right now, but I would personally probably buy at least 1 or 2 calls right at the, like a little bit after market opens, just to kind of see if it runs up. Because if you can buy something really cheap that expires today, and GameStop ends up like running to the moon, then you're gonna make out like a freaking bandit, dude. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.